In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and highlight something using Clipchamp. If you're new to Clipchamp or unfamiliar with its features, don't worry, we'll walk through it together step by step. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident in enhancing your video editing skills with some neat zoom in effects. First up, let's open your preferred web browser and head over to clipchamp.com. If you haven't already, you'll need to log into your account. Once you're on the website, look to the top corner for the sign in button and give it a click. If you have a Microsoft account, there's a convenient option here to sign in using that. Just click continue with Microsoft. After you do this, simply select your Microsoft account from the list or type in your credentials to access Clipchamp's dashboard. Once you're logged in, you should land on the Clipchamp homepage. Here, let's dive right in by clicking on create a new video. This will take us to a fresh project screen that's ready to start editing. The first thing you'll want to do is bring in your media. You can do this by clicking Import Media, which will open up a dialog for you to select the files from your computer. Find the video or image you want to focus on, select it, and let Clipchamp upload it to your media library. Now that your media is in the library, it's time to get it onto the timeline where the magic happens. Simply drag and drop your media file directly onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. You should now see your video or image laid out in front of you, ready to be manipulated. To begin adding that zoom effect, find the image or video clip in the timeline and click on it to ensure it's selected. You'll notice several controls appear around the edges of your media. Look for the small circle located in one of the corners. This is your handle for zooming. By clicking and dragging this corner circle, you can easily zoom in and out. As you drag inward, the image grows larger, allowing you to focus closely on a specific area. Drag it outward and you'll zoom back out to the full frame view. While experimenting with the zoom feature, pay close attention to how each adjustment impacts your video's focal point. This feature can be incredibly powerful for emphasizing critical details in presentations or tutorials. But don't forget to double check how it looks in the preview window above the timeline to ensure the effect is exactly as you want it. And there you have it. Mastering the zoom in effect in Clipchamp can give your videos a professional touch by drawing attention exactly where you need it. Practice these steps a few times, and soon enough